Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Arnold D. Azurin, a member of International Marketing Group and a member of Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. And today, here's my YouTube channel, Sir Arns Das. Today, I'm going to discuss to you about Kaiser. Kaiser is a company of a health maintenance organization. So please bear with me. Once again, Happy New Year to everyone and God bless you all in 2021, the year of the ox. So I'm going to share to you my screen. Okay. So here's my screen. Okay. So here's my profile. I'm a marketing director of International Marketing Group, member of Truly Richmaker, IMG, and of course, member of Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. Okay? So I'm a former teacher and professor at several universities and institutes. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Sir Ernst Das. Okay? So, ang healthcare and Kaiser HMO. So, why you need to have one? Bakit kailangan mo ng isang healthcare gaya ng Kaiser HMO? Okay? So, you must have your strong financial foundation or matibay ang pundasyon mo patungkol sa financial. So, number one is your healthcare. So, as you can see, we have here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foundations, but your strong foundation must be in your healthcare. So, either it is your long-term, short-term, and senior care. But I suggest you must have your long-term healthcare in Kaizen. So here's the order of priority. First, you must have your healthcare, income protection, life insurance, managed debts, emergency funds, investments such as equities or assets or mutual funds or stock exchange. Okay? So, understanding and choosing the right health care. So, paano tayo pipili ng health care na tama para sa atin? Okay? So, ano ba yung short-term health care, also known as HMO, not guaranteed renewal. For example, ang HMO mo ay uh, MaxiCare. Nagtatrabaho ka sa isang company. So, ibig sabihin, habang nagtatrabaho ka, the company is paying to MaxiCare while you are working. So, if you resign or retire at the age of 60, ibig sabihin nun, wala ka ng MaxiCare. Because company can only provide you this health care while you are working with them. Okay? That is short-term health care. Senior care works similar to short-term health care. Okay? Parehas lang sa may short-term health care. Okay? Almost similar lang siya. Kaya lang, pag senior care kasi, of course, you have your health care pero wala ka ng uh, insurance benefits. Okay? Only your health care. So, it is also short-term. Okay? So, if you are 60 years old and above, you can avail this senior care. And the third one is long-term health care. HMO with health savings account which can be used for your future healthcare needs. Okay, your needs pay only 7 years in lifetime to use. So, I mean to say, ibig sabihin na magbabayad ka na ng 7 years and you can use it for the rest of your life. So, long term. Okay? Kahit nawala ka sa trabaho, nag-retire ka, nag-resign ka, because you're paying Kaiser, okay, Kaiser is going to give you a lifetime health care. Okay? So, in the Philippines, a lot of sick people die not because there's no medicine or treatment, but because they don't have money. They don't have money. So ito yung healthcare company. Okay? So, for short term, you're going to pay monthly, yearly, even though you don't use it. Okay? So, while you are paying, so that is your productive years, 21 years old up to 60. So, you're paying your HMO. long-term healthcare. Long-term healthcare plan you pay for 7 years and then you can use it 61 years old and beyond. Or after 7 years of payment, you can use your long-term healthcare. Okay, so there must be also a senior care for you. So if you pay at a younger age, much better. Okay, we have final test of good health care. We have short-term healthcare, long-term healthcare, life insurance, savings and investment. So, ibig sabihin nito, if you have long-term healthcare, you must have your life insurance, you must have your savings. Okay? So, in our company, the Kaiser, we're going to provide you this one in one package. Okay? Remember, one package of healthcare. Okay? The Kaiser one. You have already your long-term healthcare, life insurance, savings, and investment. Okay? So these are the four cornerstones that you must have. So why people decline or reject health insurance? So why? Why they are rejecting? Because they say they are strong. Remember, you're healthy now, but in the future, we don't know. Your body will become weak. Just like me, I'm already 50 years old. So I will always do my annual checkup, free checkup from Kaiser and from ING. Okay? So ngayon pa lang, this time you have to get your Kaiser, okay? Healthcare for your future. Para at the age of 50 or 60, meron ka na okay, pwedeng magamit na Kaiser healthcare. Okay? So by the time you reach 40 years old or earlier, that's the time you will look for healthcare insurance. Of course, pag matanda ka na, 50 plus, mas mahal na yung babayaran mo. Okay? Now that if you're sick health, yeah. So why people decline or reject health insurance? Do you think you can bring your company HMO? So if you are employed in a company, do you think you can bring that one after 60 years old? No. You can bring your okay, short-term care. Okay? You can only use your Kaiser pagtanda mo. Okay? So even after you resign or retire or get fired by your boss, if you have your Kaiser, you are secured with your health care. Okay? So why people decline or reject again? Let us not be a burden to our children in the future. Okay? Dapat di tayo burden ng sa ating mga anak. Okay? Burden to our children in the future. Okay? So wag mong ipasa sa anak mo yung burden. So you have to prepare your future. If you live longer, okay, you can use your Kaiser. Don't expect or rely on your children to help you. So that's it. Okay? Don't expect. So you have to invest in cancer. Our children are not our retirement fund. So hindi po sila retirement fund natin. Okay? So nagtrabaho sila and then you're expecting them to help you for your health care. Okay? We need to break this culture of dependency. So nagde-depend din tayo sa mga anak natin. Okay? May kanya-kanya din silang pamilya in the future. Kaya we have to secure our healthcare. Okay? We need to break this culture na lagi tayong dependent sa kanila. Okay? Pagtanaw ng utang na loob. So, we have to prepare for it. Okay? So, meron tayong PhilHealth or health card. So, ito ay limited lang siya. Okay? So, mababawasan sa'yo for your hospitalization of 50,000. For example, 50,000 yung healthcare mo. Babayaran mo sa hospital, only 5,000 will be deducted. And the rest, you're going to pay from your own pocket. So, this is limited also. Okay? Kahit mayroon kang PhilHealth card. Okay? So, there's also policy and limited lang kanilang mga assistance to you. Okay? Although it can help, but your hospital bill cannot be shouldered all 100%. But Kaiser does, lalo sa critical illness mo. If you paid already for 7 years, 100% babayaran ng Kaiser ang iyong hospital bills. Okay? But depend on your plan. Okay? Sa Kaiser International Healthcare. Again, why? Okay, so meron mga libreng hospital daw. So, kung yan ang gusto pagtanda mo, ikot ka sa lahat ng pampublikong hospital. So, you go around the nation, what hospital can give you free hospitalization? Okay? So, are you going to be hospitalized in this place, okay, by yourself using Kaiser Health Card, or this one, B. So, maraming tao, lalo pag may COVID, hindi ka pwede dito, okay? So, do you want this one? Crowded hospital room, or A or B? Much better A. If you choose A, get one Kaiser now. Okay? So maganda ang programa ng gobyerno, pero hindi ito sapat sa naasahan sa pagkanda. Of course, we will rely on these government programs like JSIS, SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth. So maganda lahat yan. Okay? There's no doubt about it. It's better to have this one and then you must have your Kaiser. Okay? The more the merrier. Pag doble-doble ang Kaiser mo or health HMO mo, much better. Meron kang MaxiCare, meron kang Kaiser, meron kang Entercare, at magagamit mo lahat yun pag ganda mo. Okay? For Kaiser naman, pag di mo nagamit, you can withdraw all your money at the maturity date. Okay? So, the government programs are great, so no problem for that, but we have also to secure our money in the future. Kasi ang Kaiser, okay, not only that you have your healthcare, you must have also your investment. Okay? Okay? So the money you invest can grow for your financial future. Okay? What if I tell you about the right healthcare? Ano bang tamang healthcare sa inyo? Okay? What is the right healthcare? So, marami kayo naririnig, Intercare, MaxiCare. Now, we have Kaiser in the Philippines. So, Kaiser in the United States, okay, is Kaiser Permanente in the United States, but in the Philippines, we have Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated Philippines. Okay, so we have our endorser, we have Miss Sharon Cuneta. So kahit maputi na ang buhok mo, may Kaiser pa rin sa tabi mo. So get one Kaiser now. Okay? So our endorser, Miss Sharon Cuneta. And of course, Miss Sharon Santos. Okay? So, here, madami na ako nakitang mayaman bumasok sa hospital, paglabas mahirap na siya. So, don't get out from the hospital na maghihirap ka, di ba? Dapat, you're prepared for your hospitalizations. Okay? So we have the reminder here by Charles Santos, healthcare is often the most neglected savings. Sadly, it's also the usual reason of family bankruptcy. Kasi nga, wala kang Kaiser. So, ibibenta mo yung bahay mo, lupa mo, yung kotse mo. So, what will happen to you? You will become poor. Kasi nga, wala kang Kaiser healthcare or any kind of HMO na gagamitin mo. Okay, remember, Kaiser will going to provide you or will help you on your critical illness. Kahit ano pa dyan, ang yung sakit. Basta fully paid ka sa Kaiser. Okay? Hindi pwedeng get well soon ang bibigay sa'yo. Sasabihin lang sa'yo. So, you have to decide already. Okay? Get well soon sa mga friends mo, every friends, never, relatives, get well soon lang, pero wala silang may bibigay na tulong sa'yo. Okay? Financially. So, you have to prepare yourself. Now, Kaiser is 3-in-1. So, ibig sabihin ng 3-in-1, tatlo na yung kanyang benefits. Life insurance, long-term healthcare, and investment. Just like your coffee. Okay? So, wala ka lang hahanapin pa. Okay? Don't get insurance without healthcare. Okay? So, first, we have the accumulation period, 1 to 7 year. Extended period, 8 to 28 year. And then, start a long-term care period from 21 to 100 years. So, you can have this one. So, for example, second year mo pa lang nagbabayad. So, meron ka ng free annual physical check-up sa accredited hospital ng Kaiser. Meron ka rin annual dental check-up. Okay? And your eye or vision check-up. So, maraming benefits ang Kaiser at saka IMG, of course. Okay? So while you are paying, after 1 year, you can already enjoy your membership as Kaiser members. Okay? So get one, mag-decide ka na. Okay? So we have here your strong financial foundation. Of course, you must have your health care. Okay? So no health care, no financial foundation. In the end, you'll become poor. Okay? Paglabas mo sa hospital. Okay, so we are offering Kaiser International, okay, Health Group Incorporated as a member. So, meron ka ng insurance, okay, life and accident insurance, okay, long-term health care, mutual funds kung ikaw ay you're going to have your IUG, okay? So, 3 into 1 yan, okay? 3 into 1 yan, meron ka ng investment at the end of your 20 years of maturity. So, get one now, okay? So, ang Kaiser, okay, if you are 10 to 40 years old, here's your investment. Parang 80 pesos per day. So, after 7 years, okay, of payment, you only pay a little amount. But at the end, you're going to have your 520,000. 41 to 50 years old, 180 pesos per day ang babayaran. 51 to 60 years old, 147 pesos per day. Okay, and they will have this one, value in 20 years. So, yung value in 20 years mo. Okay? So, you'll be protected now in your healthcare. So, here's our Kaiser Health Card. So, yan, yung health card po natin. Pwedeng gamitin every year. Okay? So, this is for you guys. You study from 0 to 20, 20 to 60, or 40 years of working and retirement from 60 to 80. So, 7 years to pay only. So, any years below 60 and 10 above, you can have your Kaiser membership. So, pag bata, 10 years old, so the mother or father will become your okay, guardian to sign the application. Okay. So, here's your ultimate Kaiser Healthcare Health Builder. So, you have your 7 years for accumulation, okay, 7 to 20 years for extension, and then 20 for your long-term healthcare period. So, for example, 42 years old ka na, nag-start ka ng 22 years old. So, tapos na yung 20 years mo. Pwede bang extension yon? Pwede extend mo lang yung pag-stay ng Kaiser mo. Okay? So, lumalago ang yung pera sa Kaiser. Okay? So, pag kailangan mo na, you can use your Kaiser and you can get your money. So, they'll give you your Visa card after 20 years. Okay? So, pagdating ng maturity date. Okay? So, that is the accumulation period, extended period, okay? And then, you have your okay? Total accumulated unused health benefit, long-term healthcare benefit, long-term care bonus, additional health benefits, dividend, so marami pang iba. So here, can have your 1.166 million pesos, okay, for your total. So pay for 7 years, and you have your plan K100, you only pay 50,000 per year. So ilan yon? 58 times 7. So it's all 58 times 7 is almost 420,000 pesos lang binayad mo. Pero ikaw ay secured for 20 years. Not insured ka doon sa 20 years na yun. After 20 years, you can have your 1,166,169 pesos, okay, that you can avail cash, okay, sa Kaiser. Okay, so here's your dental care. You can go to your dental network clinic. So sa Dagupan, marami dyan. We have Dr. Brito's Clinic. In Calasiao, we have Dr. Davera Clinic. Okay. So here's your Kaiser International. So if you are young, you can only save 188 per day. Isang milk tea lang yon if you save your money and get one Kaiser international membership. Okay. So here's your costing of getting serious sick in the Philippines. We have acute heart attack. So malaki pala. Stroke, million, lung cancer, million, breast cancer, also like that. Kidney. Yeah. So really you must prepare your healthcare talaga. Okay. So here's our endorser for the cancer. Okay. So these are the ages, and here's the minimum charges for your cancer. Okay. So 2,647 for the minimum, pinakamababa na yan for younger age. 3,529 pesos for the from 41 to 50 years old. Okay, for 51 to 60 years old, okay, 4,412 per month. But if you pay annually, 2 months will be deducted, discount. Okay, so you have to think about it. A lot of sick people die because of no money. Okay, so don't rely on your children. Okay, so when you retire or resign, okay, so you will sell your properties kapag wala kang health care. Okay, so you'll become poor. Okay, so this is the truth one if you don't have your health care. So prepare one. Okay? Why are you investing for your house, new car, pero wala kang strong financial foundation tulad ng healthcare. So, you are just rejecting this one. Okay? So you don't mind this one, but this is very, very important. Okay? So you must save now and get one castle. Okay? So thank you very much. My name is Arnold D. Azurin. My YouTube channel, Sir Arns Dance. So if you want to um, locate me or contact me, okay, my number is 0908-433-9235. And my email is arnoldski2005 at gmail.com. And my YouTube channel, Sir Arns Dance. Again, my YouTube channel, Sir Arns Dance. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, and view the videos. Thank you, and maraming maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click my videos and like.